to my YouTube channel, MMT the Beauty. Yes, girl, I'm beautiful, okay? So here in the channel, I'm gonna show you guys how to do my makeup, hair, and different beauty idea. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. If you have any comments, you can comment below, okay? So right now, as you can see, my eyebrow was done off camera. So now we're gonna move ahead to the eyeshadow. So please stay and continue watching. Thank you. Bye. So right now we'll go ahead with the Pro Concealer. And with the Pro Concealer, I'm gonna apply that on my eyelid to set it as the base for my eyeshadow. Just apply that on your both eyelids, and you use the beauty blender to blend the concealer on your eyelids to avoid any crease on the eyelid when applying the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Morphe palette. I'm gonna use the gray shades to create a cut crease on my eye. So I'm gonna start with the dark green shade and apply that on my inner crease of my eyelid. So I'm gonna just dab the deep green and just pat it in to blend it inside my eye crease. And with that, I move forward with the yellow shade and apply that on top of the green shade to blend, to take out the harsh lines. So just keep blending the yellow shade on top of the green shade to give that smooth transition to avoid the harsh lines. So here I'm using the flat brush to cut my crease. So I'm using the flat brush with the Pro Concealer to create a cut crease on my eyelid. So just try to make sure you cut it out good. And here I use the dark green shade that's used from the onset to tap it on the outside of the cut crease, and I go forward with the yellow shade and tap that at the middle just close to the dark green shade. So I just keep dapping it on the cut crease for it to be highly pigmented. And from there I use a white shade from the Morphe palette and put that at the inner cut crease just close to my tear duct. So I just applied that on the both inner side of the cut crease close to the tear duct. And from there I use the NYX Bright Vivid Yellow eyeliner to just give some artwork to the cut crease. So I just line the yellow eyeliner on top of the cut crease just to just give it some artwork to it. And you need to be careful, and here I was just trying to be steady, so I kind of give it a sharp straight curve. And with that I move forward with the NYX black eyeliner to wing my eye. And here I'm just gonna wing it. If you're interested to know how I draw my eyeliner to wing my eye, just comment below and I'm gonna upload a detailed video on how and several ways you can easily draw your eye wings. So moving forward, I'm using my eye mascara to apply that on my eyelashes. And as you can see, I did my lashes off camera. So right now I'm gonna move forward to my face to apply my foundation. And here I'm using two Maybelline Fit Me foundation of different shades, and one is darker than the other one. I'm just gonna mix them both, and I'm using the beauty blender, and I'm gonna damp that with my MAC setting spray. You can use water, but I had did it water and it's a little bit dry right now, so I'm gonna damp it a little bit more with my matte setting spray. So just spray that on it and you apply the foundation on your face. Just cover all those parts you don't want to be shown, and give your face a uniform complexion. Just blend that in, cover all those hyper pigmentations and all that. Just keep blending. And now I go with the Pro Concealer to apply that below my eye. So I apply that below my eye and my T-zone area. That's my nose, my forehead, and my chin, and right below my nose, and blend that in with that same beauty blender. And I try to, still do it damp because it gives that smooth blending, and try to get rid of the crease under the eye. Just blending everywhere you apply the concealer. Please ignore my lip motion. I was talking to my wonderful cousin, so I was just running my mouth back there. Right now I use this contour to apply that on my cheekbones, and all the areas you see, I just want to give some contour. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now, I just love doing it. And apply down my nose to snatch my nose a little bit. I don't do this often, but sometimes when I feel like doing it, I just do it. So I just apply that on my nose. Then with that, I move forward to a softer brush to just blend that in. I blend all the areas where I apply the contour, and I use the beauty blender to blend the cheekbones, and just spread them out to avoid any harsh lines. Now I'm using the Derma Blend setting powder and set where I apply the concealer, so I don't have any crease under my eye. I just set it in. I don't bake, so I just set it in and blend it in. So, and I love doing it just right there, as you can see, just to snatch my face a little bit more. So I just apply it, then I just blend it in. So it was actually dark, so I just had to put on my ring light, and it's not bad. Right now I'm gonna move ahead to set my foundation with the setting spray. Here I'm using the NYX matte finish setting spray to set the foundation in, and just let it cool off and dry off. Then I move to the highlight. I'm trying to spell the highlight. I don't know. H-L-I-H-I. Never mind. I can't spell. Whatever. My bad. So right now I use the highlight to apply that on my brow bone area. And I had did it on my cheek already. So I'm just redoing it for you guys to just, to see. So here I use my black eyeliner and apply that on my waterline. So I just, to give that eye intense look, I just apply that on my both water eyes. As you can see, there it is. Just keep applying that to satisfy. And then I use a brush with the dark green shade and just blend the black eyeliner in to just give that dark intense look to my lower eyelid. Just blend the both in just to give that smooth look. And from there I use the dark brown eyeliner to line my lip before I apply any lipstick or any lip gloss. I just love to line my lip. So you just line it as you wish at the inner corner and around the line of your lip. So here I use a nude lipstick. It's a matte nude lipstick. I've had this for years. So I just applied on my lip to give that matte look. And I didn't leave it there. I moved forward with the NYX bordered gloss. Gloss to apply that on my matte lip. So I just applied it, and you can add it as much as you want until you're fully satisfied. And that was pretty much it. And as you can see, I'm just here doing my thing. There you go, girl. Ooh. Okay, so thank you guys very much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Mwah.